Look at all those creepy crawlies. This is how you know your compost is ready. Look at that black gold just ready for your garden. Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. If you've ever wondered how to use compost and how to tell when it's ready for your garden, this video is for you. For review, composting is decomposed organic matter that provides fertility for your garden. Compost is made by combining plant matter, thyme, and moisture. There are 4 easy ways to tell when your compost is ready: by the temperature, the texture, moisture levels, and the biodiversity in the compost pile. We'll look at each of those in a little bit more detail. First, we'll talk about compost temperatures. Compost temperatures range widely. When you first start the pile, it is the same as ambient temperature. After a week or so, the pile heats up and can get as hot as 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. As the biological activity matures, the temperature will begin to drop. You can tell your compost is ready when the temperature has dropped again to near ambient temperature. Next are odors and textures. What you're looking for is a rich, dark soil that is fluffy and loose. It is easy to dig and will have an earthy smell. It should not smell off or foul. That is a sign that your compost needs more oxygen and time. Next is the moisture level of your compost. I find the correct moisture level throughout the process should be about medium. Think like a damp sponge. Finally comes compost biodiversity. When your compost is fully mature, it should be loaded with life that you can both see and not see. It is this complex biodiversity that will help your plants thrive. When your compost is alive with critters, you know your compost is ready. Now that your compost has met these criteria, you are ready to use it in your garden. When my compost is ready, I like to keep it simple and cover the top layer of my planters with this beautiful, rich compost. I will also add mulch to keep the moisture in, and that completes the process. And there you have it. Now you know how to use compost and how to tell when it's ready for your garden. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. We'll see you soon. Bye!